Hi, and welcome to your weekly market review. I'm your host, Nick Rowert, joined today by Grant Engelbart, portfolio manager here at CLS Investments. Grant, welcome.
Thanks, Nick.
So let's jump right into it. We know that the Fed is going to tighten it soon here. What's that going to look like when it happens?
Good question. Most people are focused on when is it going to happen, but what actually happens to the prices of equities and bonds over this period on average is that they tend to go up. International equities, emerging and developed, actually tend to outperform the U.S., which is unexpected. Commodities do well, especially inflation usually picks up when the Fed is about to tighten, which benefits commodities. And then most interesting to me was that looking at the numbers, bonds actually tend to be positive when the Fed takes a couple years to tighten, which is what is expected now. And that's just because as rates slowly move up, the coupon accumulation rate is higher.
Oh, okay, great. So last week you also had that little nudge, the Nasdaq composite hit 5,000. It's not done that for 15 years since the tech bubble. What's different this time?
Sure. Well, the financial media has done a really good job actually of kind of showing the Nasdaq then and the Nasdaq now. Valuations look a lot better compared to 2000. And then the quality level of the index is actually a lot higher.
Oh, okay. So let's talk time and investments. Comparison to what's happening now and what happened 15 years ago. How can we look at that differently, comparing to buying into the euphoria of that tech bubble?
Sure. If you really felt that you needed to invest in the middle of the tech bubble and you bought the Nasdaq at 5,000 15 years ago, today you'd actually have about a 14% return over the entire period, which kind of seems higher than most people would think, but that's less than 1% a year, and it's from dividends. Inflation was more than twice that, so you wouldn't have even gotten close. If you would have bought at the same period of time a basket of high quality stocks, it's one of our focuses here at CLS, you would have actually more than doubled your money over that time frame, which I think is pretty impressive.
Wow. Well, thanks for the insight on that.
No problem.
That'll do it for this week. As always, thank you for your time and trust in CLS Investments.